Hey guys, we didn't get to finish up before we got to this today, so I just wanted to quickly go over this. For my Core 1 and my Core 2, Miss Williams class got this finished. So make sure you're listening to this video with your headphones off. You're doing this at your Chromebook with your earbuds. So this was the next slide that we had on our Nearpod, and it asked, what is the most prominent or clearest in the photograph? So we can tell that this girl, obviously, that's what you can see the best. That's the easiest to see, okay? Number 2, what is less prominent or what is hard to see in the photograph? If you look really closely, and I didn't see this at first, you can see this girl's elbows. This is the camera. It might be a man, I'm not sure, and that's their head. You can see a little bit of their reflection. It's not super clear, so we would say that's less prominent. So it's not as easy to see that, okay? And so we've learned that that has to do with light, it has to do with reflection. So this right here is a side view of this photographer would be standing right here. The person that's sitting at the table would be right here. So it's showing you what's happening with the light. The light, to be able to see that person, the light has to hit that person and then bounce off and then go into their eyes. Okay, so it's saying if you're standing right next here to the photographer and you saw this, what does the prominence of an object in the photograph tell you about the light that would be entering your eyes from it? So you could explain this with pictures or with words. So this is an example before you get started on your test, because this is what you're going to be talking about with your test. So you're going to have a little box to be able to explain this, okay? And it's going to look like these right here. So I'm just going to use this scrap area for this. So again, the question is, if you were standing next to that photographer and you saw this image, you're trying to figure out what's going on with the light, okay? And remember, you can see a little bit of the reflection, but you can see most of this, okay? And we've learned about light. We learned that the side that the brighter light is on acts like a mirror, and the side with the dimmer light acts like a window. So what I